To start with, problem set 3, question number 9, divide 207. You have to divide this 207 into 3 parts. One part, second part and 3 parts. Divide 207 into 3 parts such that the numbers are in AP. When you will divide this 207 into 3 parts, at that time whatever be the sequence has to come in AP. Then one condition is given. Product of the two smaller part is 4, 6, 2, 3. Product means multiplication. Product of the first two smaller part is 4, 6, 2, 3. Because the first part is smallest, then second part is smaller and last part is bigger. So you have to say that so if you want to solve this example, I will consider let the 3 parts of the 207 which are in AP will be first part is middle part is A. See, this part is A. Then this part is A minus D and this part is A plus D. Means you will divide these 3 parts like this. This 207 you will divide into 3 parts. If one part is A, at that time previous part is A minus D and next part will be A plus D. If one part is A, at that time previous part will be A minus D, because previous part is less than common difference than A, and next part will be greater than D by A, means A plus D. So if middle part is A, at that time first part will be A minus D and last part will be A plus D. So I will say that these 3 parts will be A minus D, A and A plus D. So I will write first part is equal to A minus D, second part is equal to A, and third part is equal to A plus D. Like this I divided this 207 into 3 parts. Then from the given condition, what is the condition? Sum of the 3 part is given. Sum of 3 part is 207. Sum of 3 part means you have to do the addition of this plus this. Means A minus D plus A plus A plus D plus A minus D is equal to 207. Here this term of the D is, this is the plus D, this one is minus D. You have to strike this term because like term having opposite sign. What is remain? A plus A plus A remain. A plus A plus A is equal to 207. A plus A plus A is equal to 3A is equal to 207. You have to find out value of A. Then you have to transpose this 3. Multiplied by 3 becomes divided by 3. After dividing this by 3, at that time 3 1s are 3. 3 69s are 207. Then A is equal to 69 will come. Then this part will become A. Then you have to find out the D. How you will get the D? Where the second condition is given. Product of two smaller part is 4, 6, 2, 3. Product means multiplication. Which are the first smaller parts? This one is these 2 parts are the smaller parts. This is the biggest one. Then this product of this A minus D and A is given. Then I will say that product of the 2 smaller part is 4, 6, 2, 3. Then A minus D multiplied by A is equal to 4, 6, 2, 3. But we have the value. A is equal to what you have to say? A is equal to 69. You have to put A is equal to 69 in above equation. Then A is equal to 69. I will put in above equation. At that time this becomes 69 minus D into 69 is equal to 4, 6, 2, 3. Then this multiplied by 69. If you want to find out the value of D, then multiplied by 69 you have to transpose that side. That multiplied by 69 becomes divided by 69. 69 1s are 69. 69 67 are 4, 6, 2, 3. Then this 69 minus D is equal to 67 will come. Then you have to find out value of D. So you have to transpose this minus D that side and 67 this side. This plus 67 become minus 67, minus D become plus D, and 69 minus 67 is equal to 2. Therefore D is equal to, value of D will come to. Once you will get A is equal to 69 and D is equal to 2, at that time it is very easy to find out the first part. First part is equal to A minus D. then A minus D, value of A is 69 minus the value of D is 2. Value of, then second part is A is equal to 69. Then third part is A plus D, 69 plus 2 is equal to 71. Therefore first part will be 69 minus 2 is equal to 67. Second part is 69 and third part is 71. If you will add these things, 67 first part, 67 plus 69 plus 71, at that time your answer directly will come to 107. Okay, means if you will see this 67, 69 and 71, these three parts are in AP, because the common difference between 67 and 69 is 2, and difference between 69 and 79 is 2. So you have to say that these three parts in AP, and in this way you have to find out the three parts. When this type of question will come, that time you will consider the one part is A minus D, next part is A, and next part will be A plus D. I think you understand these things. You have to write these things in the notebook properly. Thank you.